Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you hate ironing like I do, it's just the worst chore. You're gonna love this handheld steamer from Nesmar. This is perfect for traveling. It even comes with this beautiful velvet bag to put it in and a heat glove to prevent any burns. Once you plug it in, it starts heating up automatically, and then you can use the button there to turn on the steam function. It's really easy to fill up with water in the little cartridge that slides in and out. I am steaming my husband's dress shirt, and this just makes the task so much easier. It's really efficient and works really fast. I was able to steam his entire shirt in just 5 minutes. Especially when you go on vacation, your clothes can get so wrinkled inside the suitcase. So this is definitely a must-have item for travel to get all the wrinkles out. And it's also really great for baby clothes because of the small size. I love that you can also use it as an iron if needed, which is really convenient. So if you're looking for a way to make ironing a breeze, definitely check out this handheld steamer from Nesmar. It's not only a steamer, but also an iron, and what more could you ask for? It's beautiful, it works great, and that's my point of view.